On YouTube, speed wins. The faster you can make strong thumbnails, the faster your channel grows. Simple as that. Creators who take hours designing one thumbnail fall behind. Creators who make 5 in the same time figure out what works. And those are the ones you see blowing up. Look at these. Different styles, different niches, but they all share one thing. They're clear immediately. No clutter, no overthinking, just straight to the point. That's why thumbnails shouldn't feel like a design project. They're not art, they're communication. Once you treat them that way, they stop taking hours and start taking minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I put together a clean, high-impact thumbnail in under 3 minutes. No complicated tools, no design skills required. Just a fast, repeatable way that works every time. Let's build one. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. Here you'll see 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated an Iman Gaji thumbnail I liked. I copied the link of the thumbnail, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then use this image. From here, you can choose whether you want the creativity level to be high or low. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. Then pick the style: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click Generate and you get your recreated Iman Gaji thumbnail. Next, let's move to face swap. I want to replace Iman Gaji with Tom Cruise. For that, I upload the thumbnail, select Iman Gaji's face, click Save and Continue, then upload Tom Cruise's face. Click Generate, and Supabix gives you a clean thumbnail with Tom Cruise swapped in perfectly. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. I want to make a thumbnail featuring 3 basketball players, 1 about to score, and 2 trying to defend him. You can either write a detailed prompt yourself, or get a prompt from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give Supabix that prompt, pick the aspect ratio, a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style. Then click Generate and it brings your idea to life. Here's the prompt that created this thumbnail. Next, let's go to Edits. I want to replace the basketball with a soccer ball. To do that, I upload the thumbnail, describe the change, and Supabix swaps the ball accurately. Finally, let's go to the multi-image edit feature. Upload your target image, then upload the reference image. Tell the tool how you want them merged, and Supabix blends them seamlessly and perfectly. That's it. Quick, clear, done. When thumbnails stop slowing you down, you publish more, test more, and grow faster. Use this on your next video. You'll feel the difference immediately.